Hey, you sharking?
A little bit, but look, I already fucked with her. Fucked with one of them over there. What other one? Got head from her. Fucked two of them over there. I fucked one over there.
What's the freakiest thing you did all year?
The biggest thing I did on what?
All year.
Bathroom sex.
Wait.
What are you talking about? You feel me in the mall or in the store?
So what?
You eat coochie?
It was a long day too.
I'm in it.
He in it. Like in it. Yeah.
Oh shit, I'm eating till she nut, bro.
These niggas is boys. I'm not gonna lie. These niggas is boys. I'll keep it a stack.
Real nigga shit, bro. My pleasure come from her pleasure. Yeah, homies.
Here, my brother right here. My brother, he said he ate coochie in the car.
Coochie in the car, nigga. That ain't freaky at all, nigga. What? Nah, I fucked the shorty on the roof of the store.
What the fuck is going on tonight?
I did that bitch at my school, and I did that bitch at Safeway, the Thomas.